Hi, welcome, my good friends. So this is just a welcome and introductory video, just to introduce myself as a model coordinator for the auditing module. Okay, so my name is Richard Tewia. You can attest from my thick accent that I'm an African. So I'm from Ghana, formerly Gold Coast. So yeah, I'm Richard Tewia, and I'll be the model coordinator for the auditing course. Practically, I love auditing. I have a passion for it. So it's like a skill I've developed over time. Auditing has been my best professional exams when I start for the ACCA, qualified sometime more than 11 years ago. So auditing is something I love. I practice it almost every day of my life. And it's a practice I would always encourage my students to embark upon, because I love auditing for two reasons. It helps you think outside the box. And two, it helps you to establish some meaningful networking relationship with the business world. So I've had a chance since 2007, working in the field, in industry, in practice. I work with a General Conference Auditing Service. It's a specialized auditing service for the Seventh-day Adventist Church worldwide. So that's where I started my auditing profession. And then from there, I moved on to KPMG, worked with KPMG as an audit associate. Then I moved on. So with General Conference Auditing Services, I was an assistant staff auditor, then to KPMG. Then I moved on to World Vision International, the Ghana offices. Initially, I was an internal auditor, doing both financial and operational audits. So we call it more of an integrated auditor. After which I then moved on. So over there again, as an internal auditor, I rose to the ranks of the acting chief audit executive, so more or less the head of audit. Okay. And then from there, I moved on to USAID. And as part of my work with USAID, I was a financial analyst with the West Africa Regional Financial Management Office. My financial audit function includes working as an audit control officer for the technical teams. So audit still comes in. So where I work with friends from EY, with PwC, because sometimes they audit our projects, be on the field with them sometimes, and also assisting the clients, okay, the implementing partners, to ensure that they close off all open audit recommendations. So audit is lovely to me. I love it. And it's a passion that has become part of my genetic mutation. It's part of my blood. Let me put it that way. So I love audit. I love audit. Maybe one day I may retire back into auditing practice, but for now, academia is my home. So just to introduce myself to you. So that's me, Richard. And in fact, my research area, as part of my PhD work, involves audit and assurance of sustainability activities or sustainability functions of companies in the emerging economies. So my focus was more on the South African economy, since they have some good grounds or some good examples of sustainability activities being undertaken. So that's me in short. So this is an introductory video, like I said, very short one. Hopefully you would also post something on the feed so that we can know who you are. I know not all of you would like to post something on the feed, but don't worry. We'll get to know each other along the line. Myself, your other lecturers will get to know each other. And then we forge some meaningful relationships, meaningful business relationships in the classroom. Auditing is technical. Remember, auditing is not for anyone. It is a technical area. So once you've chosen it, you would be forced to think outside the box. We'll give you more case studies. We'll give you some scenarios for you to appraise, okay, to assure, and then we require you to have some good grounding, at least from your financial accounting tool, or what we would say intermediate accounting. Yeah, so that's it. You'll be fine. And it is linked to financial reporting. Okay, it has some links with ethics. Ethically, all auditors are required to uphold some higher level of character in the practice, so that we will not tarnish the image of the practice. Auditing is good, okay? So from my background, some of you may have seen it online. I'm a fellow with the ACCA, so qualified more than 10, 11 years ago, I've forgotten. And also, I'm a certified fraud examiner, ACFE, but not in good standing, let me put it that way, because once I left USAID, I was not practicing it, and I forgot to renew my subscription twice in a year, 2 years, and I think it has some question mark on you being on a good stand. But of course, I qualified my ACFE exams and got my certificate on 3rd April 2013. So you can count it, okay? Almost 10 years now when I qualified as a certified fraud examiner. Also working to wrap up I have 1 or 2 papers with a CIMA, just want to get that one for business purposes, okay? Hopefully, we would get the ICAE credentials in addition to what we have, and see what we can do in terms of adding value to our lives and then to the lives of those who benefit from our lives. All right. So what I do in my academic work is 2 things. 1, to boost the confidence of my students. Confidence building is key. Forget about knowing the technicalities or the tricks, everything. Forget about it. Okay. If you don't have confidence in any module that you are studying, forget it. You are lost. So you should have that confidence. Okay. Even when you are presenting the wrong answer, present it with confidence. Okay. I love that one. So please, confidence building is my key competitive edge, which I have. So I want to boost your confidence. You watch my videos, you see the confidence with which I deliver it. That's the confidence I want you to pick up and enter into industry, into practice, or back into the academic world and discharge your functions or your duties. So I will boost your confidence. I will let you know that it is very easy, very, very easy, and you will pass beautifully, okay? It's good enough. The auditing model at our campus has a very good pass rate. So don't be out, don't be exempted in terms of those who pass. I would love to see 100% pass rate. You can do it. You can do it. It's very easy. And you must pass. It's very easy, okay? Second thing, which I want to tell you, is that I promote useful learning, possibly because of my background coming from Strathclyde University. So useful learning in 3 ways. 1, if you want to learn to pass, I teach you to learn to pass, okay? If you want to learn to come back into academic practice, to do your PhD, further studies, masters, I help you to achieve that aim. 3, if you want to go back into industry, into practice, to work with the Big 4, with any of the audit accountancy firms, or go into industry and serve as an internal auditor, that's what I do. Okay, so I will help you, or my entire work is to promote useful learning and to boost your confidence in the work that you are doing. You go out, you meet your peers from the other universities, trust me, they are no better than you. You are equally better. You go into the professional exams to go and write your ICAS. CIMA doesn't have auditing. Your ACCA, your ICAS, your ICAEW, name them. Please have that confidence that you go in and pass beautifully, all right? I personally never attended even 1 class for my professional exams, never, none of them. I did personal studies, and all it was because of confidence, okay? So please, confidence building is key, and I would love you to have that one. Go in with confidence, and you'll be fine, all right? You'll be fine. All right, I end it here, and then I'll see you in the next phase or in the next session. Bye for now.